The Skin Perfusion Kit has a range of ingredients in it for you to give yourself a lovely facial at home, which is loaded in 3 different types of acid that are really going to help aid that exfoliation. You hear me talk a lot about exfoliation, and that's really because it's so important for the skin as it gets older, particularly, to keep being exfoliated. The more you exfoliate, the better, more radiant it stays, the healthier it is, because the cells aren't allowed to slow down. So in here we have a mix of things. There's 4 products. This is an acid-based toner. It's got gluconolactone in it in order to do that exfoliation. So you want to wash your face properly, put some of this on a piece of cotton wool or a piece of rough gauze, and then rub firmly on your forehead, then your chin, and then your cheeks and nose last, and then you come down your neck with any little bit that's left on the cotton wool, but you don't need loads. Foreheads and chins can take more exfoliation than cheeks, which can become quite sensitive. Then you've got a mask which has a clever little mix. It's called Youth Mask. Clever little mix of glycolic acid and phytic acid. So that can be really good for kind of acne prone, oily skins, but actually the exfoliation itself is great, and it has an anti-aging effect just because the acids are working, cleaning all the top layer of the skin off. Leave it on for the required time, wash it away. Don't worry if it makes your skin pink. Don't worry if your skin is tingly and a little bit zingy, as long as it's not, crazy, tickly. It's completely fine to be a bit pink and be a bit tingly. That's normal. Then you've got some recovery cream that's loaded with vitamin B3 to help your skin repair the barrier afterwards and to be absolutely at its healthy, radiant best. And then there is a larger tube of the same mango extract, argan oil moisturizer that you have in your facial kit. So you've got a choice, really. I would really recommend using the recovery balm after you've done this little treatment with the toner, with the mask, with the recovery balm. There's no need to add it in over the top, but this moisturising cream you could use the morning after. You do need to put your sunscreen on as normal once you've put the moisturiser in. But it's a really clever little collection of products, and I really hope you enjoy them. You've got plenty in there to be doing probably 5 or 6 different treatments, and I'd love to hear how you get on.